Just...
Okay, do it again. No, don't do it stupid.
She meant here.
Do it again. You can't tell unless the straw's in it.
It sounded good.
It's moving too.
I don't know. I'm trying to
Is
forget.
it?
You know Dad will always drink it if you don't want it.
Drink what?
Wine,
So according Jade.
Thank you. The gravy's and the spaghetti's and the bottom of the bread up. I said no pickle. I like pickles.
I do, but...
It's all rainbow. Jared has pickles.
No, thank you.
Just
Do
leave
not...
it on your plate, Jade. It's not gonna hurt you.
I got stuff on mine I don't need to.
Dude.
It's called garnish.
Us as picky eaters have to draw the line somewhere. The other day I had something and I had to take my napkin away.
There you go.
And it's on us, not the rest of the world, to adjust to us. Thank you.
Were you wanting more water? Yes, please. Sure. Thank you.
Jade.